Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the end of July 2025, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.12%. This equates to an average return of 0.10% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the upper region of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower portion of the trend is anticipated. A breakthrough at the upper trend line, currently at $794.03, would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.66% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 8.83% and 20.47%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 26.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.55% to positive 33.19% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $683.98 and $1,041.75. Our latest daily update from Meta includes the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for Meta stock after gaining a fraction of a percent." The Meta stock price increased by a fraction of a percent on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. It rose from $780.08 to $782.13. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.98%, ranging from a low of $772.54 to a high of $787.81. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a gain of 1.12%. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 742,000 shares. With a total of 8 million shares exchanged for approximately $6.31 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can signal divergence, potentially indicating upcoming changes in the days ahead. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $795.46, while the lowest was $479.80. Currently, the price stands 1.68% or $13.33 below the 52-week high of $795.46, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta is currently navigating a complex situation. A troubling revelation regarding its internal AI policies has emerged, suggesting that chatbots were able to engage in inappropriate conversations with minors, provide misleading medical advice, and propagate racist content. This has prompted 2 U.S. senators to demand a congressional investigation, thereby escalating both regulatory and reputational risks for the company. Despite this, Meta has just announced robust second-quarter results. Their revenue increased by 22%, reaching $47.5 billion, while their net income was approximately $18.3 billion, showcasing double-digit earnings per share growth. This success was largely driven by improvements in AI-powered advertising, which enhanced conversion rates and elevated ad prices, alongside a slight increase in user engagement. The management is investing nearly $100 billion into AI infrastructure, with capital expenditures projected to rise significantly through 2026. In the short term, we can anticipate share price fluctuations. Regulatory scrutiny and negative headlines may induce selling pressure, along with possible legal or compliance expenses. However, the strong earnings provide some stability. Looking ahead, effective monetization of AI could significantly enhance both revenue and profit margins. Yet, the potential for sustained growth hinges on the successful implementation of substantial AI investments, as well as addressing governance and safety concerns that could otherwise limit expansion and invite expensive oversight. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 5th of August, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On Thursday, the 31st of July, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark also assigned a buy rating to Meta, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Meta as overweight while maintaining a hold action. Furthermore, UBS gave Meta a buy rating along with a hold action on that Thursday. Lastly, KeyBank also rated Meta as overweight, keeping a hold action on the same day. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with an strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of market corrections, support levels can be found at $774.46 and $733.21. If the stock price drops below either of these levels, it may trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, warranting close monitoring of the stock. There were also some negative signals generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 1%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $773.44. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.27 between its high and low, representing 1.98%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1.92%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, commonly observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of October 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.69. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $790. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $773.44. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 latest insider trades were conducted by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 2,322 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.129. In total, insiders purchased 80,272 shares and sold 236,486 shares in those last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $754.30, representing a decrease of 3.56%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this might be a good buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of August, we anticipate Meta to open lower by $1.30 and begin trading at $780.83. We remind you that trading involves a high level of risk regarding the potential loss of money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.